On Sunday the 15th of March, we've got our 2 services, and they're going to be our special Mother's Day services at 10:30am and 5pm. So we're going to be celebrating all our women and all the wonderful things they do. There'll be free gifts for all the women at church, and it will be a great time. We're going to hear some testimonies, a great preach. So do come along for those Mother's Day services on Sunday the 15th of March.
Have you just said yes to following Jesus? Well, next steps will be for you. This is a 3-part course starting on Thursday the 5th of March. It's a couple of Thursdays where we walk you through the foundations of Christianity and what church looks like and how you can grow, belong and get involved in things here. We'd love for you to be a part of this to build that foundation of your faith after saying yes to Jesus. So if you're a new believer and you feel like this is the next step for you, join the course and you can sign up online and get more information.
Hey men of Excel Church, we have got coming up for you our next event, which is going to be a men's curry night at the start of April. It's a Thursday evening just before Good Friday, and we're going to have a great time together. You'll get enough curry to fill you up, plus drinks and snacks, and we'll have Pastor John Froggatt from rugby coming to share with us on that evening as well. It's going to be a great night, you don't want to miss it. So hop onto the website or onto Church Suite and book in as soon as you can for our men's curry night.
Excel Church, we've got some missions coming up and we've got info nights for you. In September 2026, we are going back to Spain again, in the north of Spain, to join in with what God's doing over there. Could you join us? And in May 2027, next year, we'll be making a trip out to Uganda again to help the Watoto's Children Choir over there and all the work they are doing for children and communities. So could you be a part of one of those trips? Well, we've got an info night happening on Thursday the 5th of March. We're going to have the one about Spain from 7 till 8 p.m. and then following on from that will be 8 till 9 p.m. for the Uganda information. You can come for one of those meetings or both. You'll hear stories, you'll hear real experiences over there, you'll hear about what God's doing, and you'll be asked the question, do you want to take part? Why not come along to get a bit more information? There's no commitment, but just get the information and see what God's doing and how you could join in what He's doing around the world.
Easter weekend is coming up and we've got plenty happening throughout the whole of that period. So we're going to start off with Palm Sunday, where we're going to have a service featuring the Kingdom Kids Dance Crew. It's going to be amazing. And then we're also going to have on Good Friday a service in the town centre outside so everyone can join in. And then we're going to be following that in the evening with a communion service here at church. And then on Saturday, on the Easter weekend, there's going to be a family walk over at Baggeridge Park. So you can join us for that with your families or invite a friend along for that. And then we're going to finish the weekend on a high with baptisms on Easter Sunday. It's going to be a great time. So if you're thinking of getting baptised, then get in and talk to the leadership on that. But also it's going to be a wonderful time celebrating the cross, what Jesus has done, the great sacrifice in human history, and we want you to be there to join in with the celebration with us. So come along, it's going to be a great weekend, and you can find all that information on our website. So we can't wait to celebrate what God has done with you at Easter. So that's all for church news, but make sure you keep up to date with what's going on our website and also on social media, and it's Connect groups this week, so make sure you connect with yours. Have a great week.